Before starting to brand your business, there are few very important questions that you need to ask yourself. This makes us to reach the topic for today, that is write your brand's purpose. What is the purpose of your brand? We have been studying in the previous videos also. And in today's video, we will deep dive into the topic with some relevant questions that you need to answer yourself. You just need to write down the answers of those questions, and these will be really helpful to write the purpose of your brand. Beginning with question number 1, that is, why do you want to do business? The simple answer to this question could be, I want my name, my fame, my own time, and a large money. These are the 4 general segments that everybody will say, but students, you need to think beyond these. Now, what beyond? I totally agree that name, fame, time and money are the 4 major segments targeting which a person starts a business. But you need to go beyond that. How? Let me help you out. You have opted for courses, and similarly different students have selected different courses. At StudyKosh, we have come up with a large variety of professional courses, hobby courses, etc. etc. Practically, what do we want? Our sole purpose is that people should be able to afford the courses. They should be able to enroll in the courses at a very pocket-friendly and affordable cost. Thus, this is because maximum learners who actually want to learn some skill, they should be able to do that. Because we at StudyKosh believe time is greater than money. StudyKosh basically wants learner to learn and achieve what they want in their respective careers. So students, name, fame, time, money, leaving these behind, what you are giving to the society. What is the purpose that you want to fulfill in order to bring a positive change? This is what the answer of this question is. Just sit down, ask yourself, why do you want to do this business? How can this business help others? Now moving on to our second very important question, who are the people that need your product? Who are your actual buyers? Just sit down and write the answer to this question. This will also help you to filter out your audience. When you reach step number 2, that is coming step of marketing, before that, if your target audience is very clear to you, then it is really very helpful. Let us assume that I want to sell toys, right? I want to sell toys that are just for infants. I would say a child of 1 year or 6 months play with those toys. So who is my target? Students, my target is neither the children of age group 9 years or 10 years or 15 years or above. Neither my target is that infant who play with those toys, because a child of 6 months or 1 year cannot buy a toy. Then who is my correct target? My correct target is parents, right? So this way, whatever product, whatever service that you are selling or you are offering to your customers, you need to find out who are my actual buyers. Knowing your audience is really very crucial step, and once you have done this step, the next question is linked to this. That is, will the audience like? Ask yourself that your targeted people would like what you are offering. What different you are offering? Do some research. Look at the sources and know the answer of this question, that whether your audience will like what you are offering or not. What people want to see. Just know the market trend of your preferred area, of your preferred product. Whatever students you are selling, you must know the market trend. What is the different change that is upcoming and what is the change that has happened already. So taking both the aspects parallelly, you need to see that what people want to actually see. You basically need to build up a bridge between your customer and your product. If you can successfully answer those questions, then students, I guarantee you 100%. Your brand is going to just hit the market. You are just going to be a very best brand. But you need to keep patience, you need to maintain your calm. All the questions that I have told you in this video, just take out your pens and papers, start to write the answers of those questions, and then only proceed for the next video, because these are very crucial.